Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create a book cover using your mobile device. My name is Miriam Eju. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now I'm on my Play Store. This is my Play Store. Now on the Play Store you're going to look for Canva. You're going to type Canva, and this is the app. Where you see it, this is how it looks like. So I already have it installed on my phone, and that's why it's just showing me to open. But if you don't have the app already installed on your phone, it's going to ask you to download. Look at here, it's going to ask you to download here. So I already have it here, so I'm not going to be downloading. I'm just going to open this app. So what you do here, you click on open. But if you haven't downloaded it, like I said, you download. So I'll come here, I'll click on open to be able to access this app. Okay, so this is how the Canva app looks like. So there are two ways to create your book cover. You can either start from scratch, or you can either use a template. So what you want to do, this is how the Canva app looks like. You come here, you search for book cover. Let's search for book cover, because you want to design a book cover. You can just come here, you search for book cover. Let's see, sorry, I was supposed to use book cover. You search for book cover, not book, sorry. And you search, let's see. So we are here. This is how it looks like. So these are different templates of book cover, and you can see here, because this is a free version, things like pro here you can't have access to them because you are using the free version and not the premium version. So this is how it's going to look like. So you can just look for the templates that you like and you want to design, which is one way to design, and I'm quickly going to show you how to do that. You can just come here. Let's say you like this template and it's free. You can just click on it. When you click on it, it's going to take you to the canvas where you can start your design, or just how to quickly edit the page. So what you do when you are here, so this is how it looks like. You can see, so you can start editing. You can change it whenever you want to edit. You can just click on it. Let's say you are writing a book on digital marketing. When you click on it, you can just click on edit, and when you click on edit, you are going to just type maybe digital marketing. You can see you can actually delete. You can delete. Let's delete this picture. You don't want it. You want to delete this. You can just ungroup it because it's grouped, and you delete whatever you want to delete here. You can see. Let's say you want to delete this, and when you make a mistake, you can just click on this sign here to undo. You can just undo. You can see. You can click on this plus sign to add pictures. If you want to add your text, or you want to do whatever you want to do here. Let's see, you want to delete this, you delete it. You want to delete this, you delete it. You delete this. So you are just doing by, you can add your name here. Let's add a picture to this design. So you can go, you can click on photos here. If you want to add a photo, you can click on this photo here, or you can go to the upload. Maybe you want to upload a picture from your phone. You can, let's say I want to use this picture. I already have it upload. You can just and let's say you are okay with this design, you can just come here and you click on this download button here. You can see it. This is it, and you click on download here. So our image is saving to our phone. Look at how it's going to save. So when you're done, it's already saved. You can share it. You can do whatever you want to do. So that's it. That's how to use a template. Template is just for you to edit one or two things. But I'm quickly going to also show you how to design from scratch. So we are going to go back to the Canva app so I can show you how to do the design from scratch. So what you want to do when you are here, still loading. So when you are here, instead of using a design or a template, you can just come here because you want to design from scratch. I don't want to use a template like I've just showed you. You can just click on create blank. This create blank, it means it's a blank design. You want to do this design from scratch. You want to do it to your own taste or your own way. So it's still loading. When you are here, you can come here. You can come here and you can click on this plus icon here. You can see it. Click on this plus icon. Let's say you want to add a text. You can click on the text, and let's say the heading. What's the title of your book? Let's say the title of your book is digital. Let's make it capital letter and turn it to digital marketing, and you take it up. You can even change the color if you want to. I want to change this background color. Let's say I want to make it red. You just click on the background. You can see the color. Let's see, these are different colors here. Let's say I want to use this color, and you change it to this color. Now I want to also make this font to be big. It's too small. You can see here, this tab here, this is what you're going to be using. This is what you concentrate on. You come here, you click on the font size and you increase it. You can see the font size is increasing. Let's say it's okay. You can take it here. Let's say you want to still add like step-by-step guide. Then you see the text here. You add a, let's say, subheading, which is step-by-step guide. Now you take it up. When you're done, you go back, you take it up. You want to increase the font size, you come here, you click on font size. You can also, if you want to change the color, you can change the color to different colors. If you want to change the color, you can come here, you can see this A, you select it and you change the color. But we don't want to change the color, we want to leave it at this. So when you're done like this, I'm just going to be doing a very simple design to give you an idea on how to use the Canva app. So you click on this plus sign. We want to upload a picture. You can come here, like I said, you can use picture from the Canva design. You can just go to photos here, click on photos. You can see there are different photos here, or you can upload a photo. If you already have a photo on your phone that you've downloaded, you can just click on this upload and you see it's actually loading. And from the upload, these are uploads that I've already uploaded. You can just come here and select anyone. Let's say I want to use this photo. You click on it. You can see this is how it looks like. You can expand, you can increase, you can do whatever you want to do to this photo. You can see. When you're done, you can also now put text. Let's say you want to put your name. You can just come here and say text. Let's add a subheading too. And let's say by Mary Aneju. And when you're done, you go back. Then you take it down. Like I said, you can increase the font size. Let's go to the font size. You come here, you increase it. It's too big. Then you can see. Okay. Now you can just take it if it's too. Now you can also do something like this. Let's see. Now let's say this is what we want to do. So this is just a simple guide on how to show you how to use the Canva app. And when you are done, you want to download, you come here, you click on this download button here. At the download button, you click on it. Our image is saving. You can see it's preparing our design. So let's allow it to load. This is how it's going to do. So our image is automatically saved to our phone. If you want to share it with friends, if you want to do anything, it's going to ask you to share. But I'm not sharing it. I'm not doing anything because it's already downloaded to my phone, and I'm going to show you where it's downloaded to your gallery. You can check your gallery and you will see this particular design. So that's how to actually use Canva on your mobile device. Hope this video was helpful. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.